Goeiemiddag, ons staan hier by Leeuplaas aan die einde van ons eerste dag van die unieke kompetisie en by my is Gerard en Diego. Gerard, Diego, it was the first day that you guys have been introduced to the new elite feed. Diego, how was your experience?
Well, look, I've been using for the last, I don't know how many years. Today is actually the first time that I switch from that and I use this, and I promise you, I'm hooked. The texture, the smell, that's got me.
Gerard?
I can also vouch for that. I've been a loyal supporter to other brands. Today, obviously introduced to Elite Series, Twin Series feed, and I must say it's good value, and it's definitely changed my mind, and I'm definitely going to switch over.
Dankie manne, waardeer.
Thanks, Sean.